we go. On 3 twin turbo for this Mustang top mount, no options. Absolutely zero options, man. We're buying the kit how it is, no additional options. All right, check out this twin turbo setup here, you guys. Clearly, we pissed off a lot of people when I made my twin turbo build list. It pissed off a lot of people. It's just way too expensive a build to go twin turbo. Yes, don't look at the hood strut. Anyways, even though we have those, anyways, that's disaster, right? I went twin turbo for like almost $51,000, and I said realistically I would need like $60,000 to go twin turbo for my next iteration. Plasma Man, that was way too expensive. The twin turbo kit, the full race kit, that's just way too expensive. All the wells that's way too expensive. Built motor, built trans, way too expensive. You don't need none of that. You got to help us out, 651. Like, we all want to go twin turbo. What can we do? All right. Let's back it up here. This is what I got for you guys right here. On 3 makes a twin turbo kit. You guys seen it everywhere. Hey, say what you guys want to say. Clearly, it works because a lot of people have been buying the kits, and I heard right now like they do very, very well. Pretty much, it's like the same, right, as all the well kit, right? It's just half the freaking price. So here we go. On 3 twin turbo for this Mustang top mount, no options. Absolutely zero options, man. We're buying the kit how it is, no additional options. We're buying the cheapest turbos, the 55 mil turbos, journal bearing, cast, whatever, just the cheap turbos. Now I'm gonna spec anything else. We do need a manual boost gauge. I wouldn't recommend it. I don't know, manual. Some people like manual. What can I say? This whole kit right now, $5,600. You could have a twin turbo kit from On 3 slapped into this Mustang, intercooler and all, shabam, right in here. And you know what? You can't afford the fore fuel system. You can't afford the side lease system up to 1,000 horsepower. I tell you what, On 3 even makes a fuel system for you. So spec it out there, 1,000 horsepower fuel system for this Mustang. Right off the website here, let's go. Big, massive, whopping $975. You could have a dual pump fuel system for your Mustang from On 3. Like, I'm not even kidding. I think they're running like a 375 primary or something, 370 primary and then like a 525 secondary. Hey, that's plain. They've done the research. They know it works. I'm just saying, if you guys didn't like my list of picking some good parts, like initially, like we've always been fore from the start. That's just me. But clearly, On 3 makes a kit up to 1,000 horsepower. Hey, it works just fine. I mean, dash 8 Lions. I mean, I think it'll flow plenty for this Mustang. Trust me. So there you guys go. Quick video. I know everyone's gonna flame me again. Like, that kit's too cheap. Way too cheap. So realistically, 1,000 horsepower build twin turbo kit for this Mustang. What? Not even $7,000. So with $7,000, seriously, you could be cheaper than going with the ESS route. Seriously. Yeah, definitely. I mean, not the G3r or G3X, but like if you went like G2, ESS G2, you would definitely be cheap. I mean, the cheaper route would be this amazing On 3 twin turbo kit with their On 3 fuel system. Hey, can't get any easier than that. Why didn't I do it? I don't know, man. It's just nothing against On 3. I don't know. For my first build, I just wanted something like this, maybe. I don't know. I don't think I could ever go On 3, but I do look at On 3 every day. I look at the prices every day. Hope you guys enjoyed it. We can go cheaper. I'm sure you guys are already out there like, oh, you could piece together some super Chinese parts. Intercoolers, only $20 from Alibaba. Turbos, $200 a piece off Amazon. I mean, I'm sure you guys have already done that too. But I think On 3 is a good fairly good company, honestly, and they sell the kits like crazy. They seem to work. We raced one at a Power Cruise. It was on 3 with 64 millimeter, 66 upgraded turbos, obviously, with the 4 fuel system, obviously. But kit works. Hey, I'm not against things that work. You know what I mean? It literally is just a manifold with turbo. Seriously. Why don't I have one? I don't know, man. I'm sorry. I ain't got no answers. We ain't gonna do Bill Black because like that whole setup with 55 mil turbos, hey, I'm just gonna stay like this. Seriously, there's no point me buying that whole setup and put in here when this kit will probably smack it every single time. Not even kidding. And 4 fuel system, you can't go wrong with 4 fuel system, man. The warranty is great. They love their parts. You could like exchange these parts to 4. I mean, like seriously, like 4 is that good. Anyways, long video. I know. Now we got the super budget twin turbo kit here, and should we do a nitrous build? We should do a nitrous build, I think, right? So I don't know. What do you guys think? You guys buying on 3 or what? Come on. I've never seen an on 3 kit up here other than the one I raised at Power Cruise. I'm just saying. Other than that, I mean, everyone's pretty much Whipple boys, and they always complain. So, I don't know. These guys have been dominating the scene up here. What can we say? Peace.